Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Now today on 8/5/2021, I am going to teach very important, very crucial topic of physics. Chapter is electricity. The question is derivation of resistors in series combination, that is Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on. Which means if we take 3 resistors or more than 3 resistors, then its resistance should be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. But my dear students, we will not take more than 3, we will take only 3 resistors. So I may rub this. Then resistance in series must be increased R1 plus R2 plus R3. Now you may ask me a question, what does it mean? Yeah, anybody will ask you a question, what does it mean? It means that when resistors are connected in series, the total resistance gets increased. Number first point. Number second point, you have to remember this. Whenever you are connecting one resistor after another resistor, which means you are connecting the resistors in series, then at that time the current remains same, but the potential difference varies. Now let us start its proof, my dear students. I may write here proof. But before I start its proof, let us make a circuit diagram of these 3. Now we will start from here. Say this is resistor 1. It is connected with another resistor, say it's a resistor second. Then it is connected with last resistor, that's R3. Say we will name it R1, R2, R3. This R1 is connected with R2 and this R2 is connected with R3. It means that this is the series combination. Now we will connect them with the battery. Say this is the simple diagram of resistors in series. It's a negative and it's a positive, and here's the potential difference V. The current I here remains same, that's I. Say this is end, this is A here, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Current I, current I. Now this is the figure for resistors in series. If here R1 is connected, its potential difference is V1, its potential difference is V2, its potential difference is V3. Now we have to write in proof. Let us consider 3 resistors R1, R2, R3 connected in series combination, having potential differences V1, V2, V3 respectively. Since resistors are connected in series, therefore the current remains same, that is I. So but I may write here, let us consider 3 resistors connected in series having resistances R1, R2 and R3 respectively. Clear? Now after this we will write its potential difference. Let V1, V2 and V3 be the potential differences across the series combinations. Full stop. Clear? Let us consider these three potential difference should be equal to one of the total resistance. Say that's a V. Let V be the total potential. Let V be the total potential differences, then this V is equal to sum of these 3, that is V1 plus V2 plus V3. We will name it equation first. We know that in series combination the current remains same, let it be I. We will write here, since in series combination current remains same, that is I. Now we have to apply Ohm's law, which we have already discussed in previous lecture. So I will write here, according to Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, we have what it states that V is directly proportional I. If we simplify it, it means that V is equal to R times I. Or we can write it like this, V is equal to I times R. What is here R? Since we are talking about resistors in series, so I may use here S, where this S stands for resistance series. So I may write this formula here. What is that? Therefore, V is equal to I into RS. Now from this we can get other resistors. For example, what is here? Here is V. This V is already come out. That's I into RL, because I remains same throughout the series combination. Now we have to find this. Similarly, V1 is equal. V1, what is here? Current I. What is the resistance here? R1. So it's a multiply of I into R1. Similarly, this V2. This V2 is equal to I is same I into R2. Last one is V3. This V3, that's equal to V3 is equal to I into R3. Now what we have to do? We have to substitute these all values. We have to substitute these all values in equation first, because instead of this V, we can use I into RS. Similarly, V1 I into RS. V2, that's equal to I into R2. V3 is equal to I into R3. So I may write here, put all above values in equation first, comma, we get. So what will become here? Therefore, what is here? V, that's equal to I into RS equal to this equal to. Then V1 is given, that is I into R1. Similarly, formula ka plus V2 I into R2, I into R3. Now if we throw a light on this formula, here is I, which means I is constant. It is same, so we will take it out. What is here? RS. I will put this into bracket, so that it means we are taking something out, that's I. There remains R1 plus R2 plus R3. This I and this I cancel. There remains RS is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And this was our motive to find the resistors in series, that is RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So I may write here, hence proved. So in this way, we have proved the expression or derivation of resistors in series. Now if anybody will ask you a question, what does it mean? It means when resistors are connected in series, the total resistance gets increased. Now I think that it is enough for today. Inshallah, rest will be discussed inshallah tomorrow. Have a nice day.